Good morning, students. Hope your study is going very well. Then let's start today's classes. This class is your science class. Okay. And I hope there is no confusion about your science syllabus. I mention now here your science syllabus. Chapter 10, Water for All. Chapter 11, Sunlight and Shadow. Chapter 13, Going to the Moon. These three chapters are coming in your annual examination. Your annual examination maximum marks is 90 marks. Your time is 90 minutes. Number of question is 45 in science subject. All things are clear now and all question are MCQS. Okay, your annual exam is online mode. Okay, today we will do now in revision class revision test paper 1. Revision test paper 1. Okay, so everyone write down these all questions in your copy and it is very good for you. If you are write down the all questions in your copy, it is easy to you when you are revising now the all questions. In your exam there are 4 type questions. In my subject, first question is fill in the blanks, second may be true false, third one is 2-3 spellings are given now and you have to choose now the right spelling, and next question is true false. It means in your question paper, maybe first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. It means there are 2-3 options and you have to choose now the correct. Question number 2 is true false. Then question number 3 is choose correct spelling. Choose correct spelling. Okay, and next is number 4 is take the correct option. Take the correct option. Take mark type questions. And all questions question are given now and there is the answers. 2-3 answers are and you have to choose now the correct option. First, in today's class we will discuss about the choose the correct options. Choose the correct options. This question is new for you in science subject. Look at here. Your question is choose the correct option. Question number 1. Here is like that, this is spelling is spawn. Number E, this is A. B is, this is spelling pond but this spelling is wrong. Okay. Number C is, number D is, which one is the correct spelling? This type of question you are seeing in the examination and you have to choose now the correct spelling. Here is maybe option, maybe spellings. There is no confusion. Okay, beta. Question is first I mention all the questions. After that I will discuss you the answers. Okay, next spelling is, it is very easy. If you are learn now all things beta, then there is no problem. Okay, next spelling is, here is 2 spellings. Next question number 3 is, next is, This is A, this is B, this is a C, and this is a D. Okay, next number 4 is A, B, C is which one is the correct? This type you see the this is the new question in science subject. It means choose the correct option, correct spelling, whatever. It means here is the in one question there is a 4 option A, B, C, D. Here is the spelling of pond. This is a wrong spelling. This also wrong. This wrong. So everyone see this type of questions in exam very carefully. Even each is spelling, all of you see properly. What is the spelling of pond? P-O-N-D, pond. This A option will here correct. Okay. Next question is, if you are seeing now this spelling, here is the spelling of shadow. Because all spellings are shadow. But which one is the correct? You have to choose now. Okay. This is wrong. S-H-A. Wrong. This is also wrong. S-O, no. This no. This spelling is correct. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Okay. This type of questions are coming in your science exam. Okay. So, I think there is no confusion. All of you learn all things. And especially name the following. These questions are framed from the name of the following. Okay. And hard words also. Next is, you see now the all spellings are river. But which one is the correct spelling? R-E-V-E-R-I. No, this is wrong. R-V-I-R-E. No, this is also wrong. This is wrong. The correct spelling is B. What is the spelling of river? R-I-V-E-R. Okay. Next question is question number 4. This spelling is, you see now, what is the spelling of astronauts? In all questions, the spelling of astronauts. But which one is the correct spelling? See everyone, if you are learn now this spelling, then you choose now this question answer very easily. This is A-R, no. This, no. A-N, no. Astronauts, A-S-T-R-O-N-A-T-N-A-U-T-S, astronauts. Okay. Some questions are coming in your science exam this type of. And you have to learn now all 4 steps of water cycle. It means evaporation spelling, condensation, precipitation, collection. Okay, all 4 spelling, these spellings, all of you learn it. Then all of you learn about the spelling of, learn all spelling from the chapter Going to the Moon. 3 astronauts. 3 astronauts name and 2 women astronauts name. Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. These spellings, if you are learn now, I think there is no problem in your exam. Okay, students. Then move to the next question. Everyone write now in your copy. Question number 5 is, A option is stream. Stream. Okay. Stream. This is stream. B is stream. B. question is question number 6 is, all of you right now, the sixth number is, next spelling is, this is spelling, all of you check it. This is A, this is B, everyone learn it, these spellings. Number C is, there is a little change now in these spellings, okay? Okay, next question is question number 7. Next is, this is spelling, water cycle. Okay, this is A, this is B, okay, this is C, number D is, number 8 is, number 8, everyone right now, check now everyone, and you easily search it, the correct, which one is the correct, okay, which one is the correct, all of you easily search it. Number C is, number D, okay, this 8 questions. First is spelling, stream, which one is the correct spelling? Stream, surface of water, there is a different forms like that, pond, lake, stream, river, which one is the correct? This one is a wrong, you search it, no, the correct spelling is, stream is STREAM, stream. This one, C option will here correct. What is the correct spelling? Here the 4 spelling of evaporation, but you have to choose, you have to click in the exam which one is the correct spelling of evaporation. Evaporation spelling is, look at here, all options, EVAPORATION, evaporation. This one is the correct. Here is a V, but here is a A, that's why this one is wrong. Okay, evaporation, here is a A, this word is missing, that's why this one is wrong. In this spelling, EVAP, here is the mistake here, that's why C option will here wrong. Your E option will here correct in question number 6. Okay, be careful for this type of questions. Next, spelling of A, here all of you check now the all spellings of water cycle, but you have to choose now the correct spelling. Water, what is the spelling of water? WATER, water cycle. You choose very easily the correct, which one is the correct? Your correct spelling is A option, WATER, water cycle. Here is the spelling wrong, here is right now E, that's why this wrong. Here is spelling wrong, and here is WATERCY. If you are search now the first letter is wrong, it means that spelling is wrong. Okay, and you easily search the correct spellings. Next question is, here the 4 spelling, and all 4 spellings, here is the 4 spellings, and which one is the correct spelling? This is a soil. All astronauts take some soil and some photographs from the moon to know the some information. That's why I mention now the spelling here, soil, and you have to choose now the correct, which one is the correct? SOIL, soil. This is the right spelling. Here SOI is here, this wrong, it is wrong, it is wrong. Your correct spelling is soil, SOIL. Okay, this is a new question in science subject exam. So everyone be careful for this type of question, and each and every spelling you search very carefully. Okay, especially water cycle, all steps of water cycle, astronaut's name. I'm told you all things. Okay, and soil photographs, and you practice now this 8 spellings also. Okay. Okay, student, I hope all confusion are clear now, and all of you note down these 8 spellings in your copy, and you practice now some another spellings of this type of. Okay, and you learn it. I think this is helpful for you. Okay, till then, have a nice day, beta, and we will meet in our next video with new test.